Hi everyone, this is Simone from VBM Coffee Machine. We are presenting the new model of VBM, the Technique, and we start with the new group head and the new boiler, a new generation of boiler. So basically we have the same boiler of the other coffee machine, but inside this boiler there is a thermospiral system. When the water filtered entering this thermospiral system become hot and go in the group head. So we have the quality of the water really high. That's really important for our espresso. Some trick for barista of this coffee machine. First one, thunder steam. Every time I have to steam the milk, I need to do a purge. With this coffee machine, I need just to push a button and I can purge the steamer. Really important. First, before the steaming, to remove all the water, and then after steaming to clean the steamer. Another important trick for baristas of this coffee machine is the drip tray. There is the possibility to put the drip tray directly in the dishwasher. We can see the graphic interface of this coffee machine. We have two kinds of barista usually. The barista that is not interested in to change the parameter of the coffee machine, but need to check all the parameters. Here we have all the parameters. So temperature of extraction, temperature of the tea, extraction time, pressure of the boiler and pressure of the pump. Here we can just change the temperature of the cups. Really important to have a good espresso. Coming back, we go to the other barista, the advanced barista, that want to keep in control every parameter and also want to change. With this coffee machine, that is a multi-boiler, we can set different temperature and different pressure profile for each group. I need just to put the password, and then in this panel I can set temperature of extraction. As you can see, it's really simple to change all the parameters of the coffee machine. Temperature of the tea. We will give the possibility to set 8 different temperatures for our tea. We know that every tea needs, like the coffee, a different temperature to have the better infusion. Then we can change extraction time. What does it mean? Every time that I do an extraction, I have a range of 10 seconds. Now I set 25 seconds when I do an extraction. I have a small line here. Now it's yellow. Yellow means under extraction. At 20 seconds, this line becomes green. Green means that we are in the right range of extraction. There we go. We have the green line. At 28 seconds, the line becomes red. And then we are in over extraction. It's really important because when I'm doing multiple shots and I need also to steam the milk, I don't have the possibility to check the extraction time, but I can see the light. And then if it feels yellow, it's under extracted. If it feels red, it's over extracted. This is really helpful for the barista that don't want to serve bad coffee for the customer. Following, every volumetric system have a pre-infusion. Also this coffee machine. As you can see, we have the stop and the pre-infusion. We can set in this coffee machine for each volumetric, we can set different pre-infusion from 0 seconds, so that means no pre-infusion, to 5 seconds. Here we can set the pressure of the boiler. Really important. When we are really busy and we need to steam a big amount of milk with a big jug, we need more pressure for our steamer. I can change directly from here the pressure of the boiler. Another important thing will be the two different accessories that we'll give for our customer from February. First thing, auto steamer for the barista that don't want to keep in control the steaming and want to be fast. We give the option of an auto steamer, and we can make latte, so give just temperature of the milk, or cappuccino, give temperature also air and then create a foam. The other important thing will be the pressure profile. We know that with specialty coffee we need maybe to change the pressure, the profile pressure, to achieve the best coffee. Here we can set 5 different steps of pressure. I don't know, 4 bar for the pre-infusion, 4 bar for 5 seconds, then 14 bar for 19 seconds, and following till the fifth step. I press just OK and I save all the profile. All these settings, I can memorize all these settings if I go back just from the main menu in the programmation, advanced input station, parameters. I have the user profile. That means that if I work with different kind of coffee, maybe in my shop I have 2 different blends, I can memorize 2 different profiles and load for each group those different profiles. That's really important to be really fast in the morning when we want to set our coffee machine. So thank you so much and see you again.